So I just was like, you know, let me look into some accessories. You know, it'll be cool, a little razzle dazzle or whatever. Hey babes, it's Adrienne Patika back with another video. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a Amazon camera accessories haul. Most of you know at least that I have a G7x Mark II, Canon G7x Mark II. And if you haven't already seen my initial unboxing of my Canon G7x and the accessories that I bought at the time of purchasing the camera, go ahead and tune into this video. I'll have it right here on the screen. Go ahead and watch that video if you're thinking about getting a camera, trying to figure out what camera you want, or trying to see if the G7X might work for your expectations or whatever you need it for. Since having a G7X, I've learned a lot about it, how to use it, and I've been also trying to optimize my video quality. So after watching a few videos, I decided that I wanted my sound quality to be better on my camera. So I just was like, you know, let me look into some accessories for the sound quality. And then I just needed some other things to go with it that I was just like, you know, it'll be cool, a little razzle dazzle or whatever. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey boo. All right babe, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first package I got, okay, so this is the Movo microphone. This is just basically a microphone that I can attach to my camera so that I can be able to have better sound quality. So right now this is kind of a test. The microphone of course isn't hooked up to my camera, but I'm using my camera right now to film this video. So you can tell what the sound quality is right now. I'm going to do a demo at the end of the haul just to show you guys the difference between not having the microphone and having the microphone. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. I need some scissors. Ooh, they got something in it. I don't know. Maybe that was a little, I don't know. So these are, so this is what it looks like. It has the microphone. This is how it comes. It has like some little clips that come to clip the microphone onto the camera. It actually has the microphone. Ooh, not sure what this is for, but here's the microphone. We're going to assemble everything like I said after the haul, but here's everything that comes with it. It comes with the clips to clip onto the camera, and then it comes with the cables to be able to plug it into the camera. It also comes with this little carrying case for the microphone if you detach it and you just want to put it up, like, you know, for the time being or whatever, so it doesn't get messed up. So that's the microphone. I'm super excited to use it, super excited to see what it does to my videos, like as far as my sound quality. I just the reason why I really wanted it is because I noticed in one of my vlogs, my travel vlog in particular, there was a lot going on in the background, so sometimes you could hear me really well, and then sometimes I felt like it was really faint, like you could hear my voice really faintly. So I wanted to make sure that going forward I don't even have those issues. Okay, so on to the next package. Let's see what it is. It's like Christmas in the middle of March, because I be forgetting what I be buying, y'all. So opening these packages is like, oh my gosh, what did I buy again? Okay, so this looks like oh, this is the cold mount shoe that goes onto the camera to hold everything together. So this device has the clip that the microphone will connect to, and it also, so this is the clip that the microphone will connect to right here. It's kind of like an extension to slide the microphone in, and then you can also like put, let me try to keep up with this, you can also put like, you can also attach your tripod right here. So it all works in conjunction. Everything works perfectly. It's just basically an extension to be able to put the microphone on, because the G7X it basically isn't compatible to attach a microphone. It's a vlogging camera. You can attach a microphone. Of course, with modern technology, there's a way to rig everything, but the G7X does not have the audio jack. Let me show you guys. The G7X does not have the audio jack to connect the microphone, so you have to kind of rig it. And also, if you look like on the Canon M50, the Canon M50 has an extra screw at the top so that you're able to screw your microphone on, and then it has the audio jack so that you're able to plug the microphone onto the side of the Canon M50. Well, I don't have the Canon M50. I have the Canon G7X Mark II. They ain't stopping us. Okay, because I don't have a microphone jack, because I don't have an audio jack, that ain't stopping me. No. So yeah, I got this extra extension so I could be able to connect my microphone, and I'll show y'all that at the end of the video, how everything works together. Okay, on to the next box. Let's see what this is. I did get me a battery. Make sure that if you're thinking about getting a camera that you also invest in extra batteries, because it's going to save your life, especially if you're vlogging, filming multiple videos throughout one day, just whatever the case may be. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready, period. That's just a lesson at the end of the day. It seems like the batteries really, like, you know, die fast. So make sure you have some extra batteries if it'll focus. So here's the battery case. Let me open it and just show y'all what it looked like. Here's the battery. It still has like a plastic piece on the top, but you actually like just put this down into the camera and then close it, and then yep, film your video. So another thing that's super important if you're planning on buying a camera is to have extra SD cards. So I had to order me another SD card because sis was recycling and reusing and recycling and reusing and recycling the last one that I had. And I'm just like, you know what? Like, I am not saving none of my content. Like, I'm literally filming it, uploading it, and then deleting it off my SD card so I can push out other content. So you gotta do what you gotta do at the end of the day. But I was just like, let me just go ahead and get another one, just because, like I said, I have, you know, stuff coming up where I'm gonna need to have all the space that, focus, get the lighting back, hold on. I'm gonna need all the space and memory that I can get with everything that I have coming up, as far as, you know, videos that I have planned. It's 128 gigabytes, but this is the SanDisk Extreme Pro SDSX UHSI card, 4K UHD video quality. So this, I didn't know that your SD card had something to do with your video quality. Like, so good to know. I learned something new today. So yeah, I got me an Extreme Pro memory card. This will make 2 for my collection. Okay, so we're almost at the end. So this piece right here, remember I said the Canon G7X does not have that audio jack for the mic, and that's why a lot of people don't get a microphone for the Canon G7X, because there's no audio jack. So in order to rig the system, you're gonna have to get this micro USB, and the micro USB is what's gonna help you to connect you're gonna connect the USB part to the camera and then connect the microphone to the audio jack. So that's how you rig it. So if you know, you know. If you don't, you do now. But I have one more thing. So I really needed this. This is a, let me turn it around. This is a mini mount. And this is basically, it's a kind of a glare because of my ring light, but this basically is a mount for your car. It's a suction. You can also use it for, like, I've seen people in the videos, they were using it for like outside their car. They were putting their GoPro and stuff on it, or like attaching it to, like, you know, their truck when they're riding through the desert or whatever. Anyway, so I got this so that I could be able to film in my car with y'all, so we can get the car vlogs going. So, you know, if I go somewhere while I'm filming a vlog, what if I want to take y'all with me? What if I want to take y'all on a ride? What if we gonna have a car concert? I need a car mount for my camera. It suctions to your car dash, and then you just, like, of course, just of course, you just tighten your camera just like a regular tripod onto this. You can adjust it up and down based on, you know, you trying to get them angles or whatever the case may be. So it says that you could use this for, you could secure your camera or camcorder to surf, snowboard, motorcycle, ATV, jet ski, or any other smooth surface. But I'm gonna be using it for my car. So I'm gonna be using it for my car, so that's what it's gonna be for. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss an upload, okay? Let's get into connecting a microphone. Okay, so sis had to switch over to her phone. So here's my baby, my Canon G7x. Like I said, go ahead and watch my initial unboxing and review for this camera if you're interested. So there's a connector piece that you're going to put onto the bottom that basically helps to connect the microphone. It connects to the bottom like this. As you can see, this is the logo. This is the logo on the piece right here. So I'm going to screw this screw in to the bottom of my camera where my tripod would usually go. Screw that in the bottom as I did, and now you can see that this does not go nowhere. This is actually now a part of my camera. Okay, so for this I'm going to need, like I said, my USB micro USB thingy. I don't know. I'll have everything, like I said, linked down below. I'm going to go ahead and put into my camera. When I ordered this, I was like, I hope it fits. Like, I hope this is correct, because you know, you really cannot measure these little USB thingies. Okay, so it fits, y'all. This is what it looks like with the audio jack connected to the HDMI or the micro USB. Y'all, I don't know the correct term. So this is the clip that goes to the microphone. So what we'll do is we'll just there we go. So we'll clip that on, and now you see we have this little piece right here. So usually you would just twist this on to the top. This is what it looks like when you get the Canon 50. Like, you would twist it onto the top and it would just be on the top. But of course, we're not beastie like that. You're going to take your camera, you're going to take your mic and the clip. The clip is what's going to help you connect it to the camera. So you're going to take this piece right here, slide it through the clip. This is what it looks like so far. We have the audio piece, we have the actual microphone. Now we're going to connect the audio piece that comes with the microphone to the microphone and the camera. 1 second. So of course you can see right here that there is a hole at the back of the microphone. I'm going to take the microphone piece, connect it. There we go. And then we're going to turn the camera around and we're going to take the audio piece, which is the audio adapter, and we're going to connect the microphone and the audio adapter. That's what it looks like. Of course, you're going to have like a cord in a way that's kind of annoying, but it's not going to stop you from doing what you need to do. Let's get into everybody's part that they've been waiting on, the demo. This is the audio quality with the microphone attachment. The microphone has not been attached to my camera throughout this whole video until now. So don't forget to let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about the difference of the microphone quality? Do you think that you can hear a difference in the microphone, having the microphone attached, or do you think that it sounds the same that I did when I first started the video? Because like I said, the haul portion of the video was recorded without the microphone. So as I was showing y'all all the products, I didn't have the microphone connected, but it is connected now, and I just wanted to give y'all a demo so that y'all could be able to see the difference between with the microphone and without the microphone. So please leave your feedback down below. Let me know if you hear a difference. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you're new. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, see you later.